Hi, this is Mrs. Nagayama, and this is a recording to help you with 3.25 quiz. Please review sections 3.24 and 3.25 before taking this quiz. The quiz topics we'll be talking about today is what is cell differentiation and what are the steps of cell differentiation. So what is cell differentiation? So all of you guys probably know that you started out as one cell. So that was when the sperm and the egg came together and formed a zygote. But how did you develop into the complex human being that you are today? Basically what happens is that one of those cells starts multiplying. So it now has copies of itself and it starts multiplying and there becomes more and more cells. But obviously you're a little bit more complicated than just a blob of the same type of cells. You are actually made up of many different types of cells. You have sex cells, lung cells, heart cells, skin cells, and many more types of cells. So how do you go from cells that are all alike to different kinds of cells? How did we go from the blob of similar cells to lung cells, skin cells, sex cells, and heart cells? This is a process that's called cell differentiation, and it's where cells change into a specific type of cell, into a lung cell, a heart cell, a skin cell, etc. If we didn't have cell differentiation, our whole body would be made of the same type of cells and perform all the same function, which obviously wouldn't be good. We don't want our heart and our lung doing the same exact thing because we need each of them to operate independently. So here's a sample question. When a plant seed first starts to grow, what would happen if the cells did not differentiate? A, other cells in the plant would differentiate. B, all the plant cells would be identical. C, the plant's DNA would make new cells. Or D, the plant could form roots but not leaves. Remember, for cell differentiation, if we didn't have it, our whole body would be made of the same type of cells. So the best answer for this one would be B, all the plant cells would be identical. So what are the steps of cell differentiation? First, we have the zygote, which is the fertilized egg. Then the fertilized egg starts multiplying and producing stem cells that can make differentiated cells. And then lastly, once we have the stem cells, those stem cells will undergo cell differentiation, where they'll produce different types of cells, for example, heart, liver, lung, skin cells. So here's the last question. Which of the following is the correct order for making specialized cells? Is it zygote cell differentiation then mitosis? Is it mitosis cell differentiation then stem cells? Is it stem cells, zygote, then cell differentiation? Or is it zygote, stem cells, and then cell differentiation? Remember, we go from zygote to stem cell to cell differentiation. So the best answer for this one would be D, zygote, stem cells, cell differentiation. Remember, please make sure that you take this quiz as many times as you need to before you get a 60% or above. If you need any more resources, please reach out to me via Kmail or contact me through phone.